So can you see the screen? My
Yes, we can
screen
see
is,
it.
yeah. So now the last topic is was about notification letter. Like this topic is about reporting. So I have around like whatever experience I have in IT, right? Uh, if I want to justify in one line that what I learned and what is important to the company, right? Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, it doesn't matter. Only thing is important in IT, in software is reporting. For the top management team, right? They doesn't worry what you are working, how many hours you are working. They just want to see the report. They just want green report. The report should be good. And if you think backward, if you'll be in a shoe of CIO, CTO, or like VP of a big company, they have to decide, they have to take a quick decision, a very fast decision based on the report on data they are receiving. So wherever you are, if you are good in reporting, if you are good in creating reporting or producing the result in a very like a informative way that can help them to take decision, you are at like they will be treated like anything. So ServiceNow has given a very like a interactive way and very like a multi color or multi functionality, multi type. They have given the opportunity to create you the report. Either pie chart, dot also is there. Different type of bubbles are there. Different options are there to create. Okay, so this is like the importance of reporting. When I go like a report is in ServiceNow, report is like you can create something that will be like accessible by you only, or you can make it accessible to other also. Okay, so just so what I was telling, right, the reporting one. So reporting in ServiceNow we can create on ad hoc, or we can create from list view, or there's different power ServiceNow has gave to me. Like these are the real time, some use cases are there. Like all the P1 incident assigned to your team, or all the like in progress incident assigned to your team, like this type of different options you can get it from there. Or HR may use report to benefit case thing, all this thing you can get. Report type is like there are 25 reports type are there. Some of that are standard that I just show you, like donuts, Pareto, heat map. These are the like standard one that's got displayed here. Okay. So to you all, right, have you used any time the reporting? Have you used reporting in your project or in your work anywhere? Have you used report in any other tool also, not in ServiceNow? Any other tool have you used?
Yeah, I'm familiar with Pareto.
Okay, okay, great. Then it will be fun here. Now, how to create a report? The first thing which you create the report is to get the condition. Like what type of condition you have. Like if you want to create an incident, what is the condition you want to give? Like critical, all filters first you have to define, like on which basis you want to create the report. Next is coming, like then you can select and directly create report from the list. So this, let me show it like here, how it's going to work. It will better to be. I'm opening an incident. An incident. Okay, here. I'm just creating a filter and I want a priority. I want a state is not resolved and assigned to is empty. Okay, this is what condition I'm getting. So I got almost 17 record. Now, if I want to create a chart, right, a report, I can click on this context menu, column option. If you get it, like, it will not show outside, but if you come near to it, will show 3 dot. You can select it here, then click on any chart. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
So now you have decided in new and on hold. Group by state. You can decide here group, all these things you can decide. Depends upon your requirement. I given a very simple one just to show you that from the list directly we can create it. Okay. Now how we can create different new report, not directly from list. So that is the one of the way. Second way is how we can create it from a different like a report from directly from report application. Okay, so that for that I'm going to explain it and then we can show it from take it from there. First on this screen, right, like other functionality of Servicenow, report is also coming under modules. In modules there is different option. So let me open it first. So in report, there will be my report, group, global, and all. So I explain one by one. My group is what belongs to me, that is in my group. So which is some of the report which is to me only, like created by me, and I don't want to share it with other due to some reason, XYZ. But so if it's created by you and it's only visible to you, it will come under my report. Second is group. So if something is created to be visible to everyone in your group, in your group means the group which are you part of, is talking about that group. So if some of the report that's created to visible to everyone in your group, that will become under group. Okay. Then it's coming the global. Global means all the reports that are visible, that is created for the fulfillers, and that will be visible to fulfillers that are coming in global. Okay. Next, list in all thing will come, like personal, group, global, maintaining all, it will come under all section. Now, if you want to create a group, you create a report, you have to click here on the create report. Once we click, the option will come as a report designer. In report designer, I will do it from here, the instance. In reports, if you type reports, it will come here. In that, we need to click on view and run. You can notice here like my report, group. There is no report for my group, so it's not there. Global. Then all. Now I need to create a new report. So I have to click on create a report. The first thing is I have to give a name. Source type, data source we are not taking, we are taking as a table. And we are taking as a incident table. Next. What type of bar we are going to select, or pie chart or something we can do. Okay, we'll select this pie donuts. Okay, so if you'll notice in the first step, we have to give these two. We'll talk about this section first. This 4 section is there. First, you have to divide the data. In that, you have to give some information like what is the name, what is the source type, on which table you want to create. Then the type you have to define, then configure, and then style. Later, if you want to save it, you can save it to different way. Either you can save it as a data source, or you can create duplicate of it, or you can simply run it. This option is sharing. Sharing means if you want to share to others or you want to keep it just with you. That's your wish. Now I'm coming here, incident. I mark it there. Here I will select donut as a type. There are other option also. If you want to select, you want to go for other option also. You want to simply select a single score number also you can select. Okay. Now configure. Configure what you want to do. You want to do through active, or you want to do through state. Let do through state. Okay. Aggregation is count. That's it. I want to make it very simple. But other option also you can try. You can additional group by also you can do. Then click on next. It's coming here style. You can color plate. You can different color you can use. Whatever you want to wish you can use. And this is the different option is there. Chart size is large, drill down, decimal place, all you can define it here. Okay, now done. Yeah, you want to export as a PDF, you want to add a dashboard, different options are there. I will simply run it and we'll see the report. If I'll come here, it will be visible. New 15% in progress, or you can visible. Now if I'll come here and we'll change something, like suppose I don't want to get this one, I want to get bubble chart. Okay. This is the bubble chart. You can see like that. So in this you can get different options to create different way to do that. These are the bubble chart. So can you see it? Different type of report we can get it. Depends upon requirement. You can recreate report. As I could show you the create report and all these things. These are the different option is there. I explained all. And you can share it. You can copy the URL so to send it to others. Now the sharing option is important. So suppose share, you want to share it. You want to share. You have options are there either to you only or to everyone, or you want to select a particular group. You can select group here. Like I'm selecting to service desk, so it will be visible to service desk. Okay. You want to schedule it, you can schedule. So email will be sent to that person or whomever you want to send. Here also you want to select a group, you can select a group. Okay. So these are the options we have.
So, Rakesh,
Yeah.
in the schedule parts, right? You chose, let's say you chose the group service desk, right? You didn't put any email there.
Here, right? Group.
Go
Right?
to the group. Then there was an option that showed email from schedule.
Yes, exactly. Here.
So what I wanted to ask is, if you choose group service desk, then that means you have to, do you need to put all their email addresses in there?
No. This email address is for external people. Like if you want to put some external person, if they are not part of Servicenow, or you are for that.
Okay. Okay. So that means the service desk people, they just need to know the name of the report and they'll go look for it to run it, to view it. Sorry. Okay.
So yeah, so this I share and publish, I explain. Then matrix is similar report, is not others than that. Same is the dashboard. So dashboard is important. So let me open directly here. 1 second. Yes, so this is important thing. I want to show you the dashboard because everyone wants to show their dashboard. Exactly. So dashboard, you can come here. Dashboard is like a complete page where you can. Okay, before going ahead, right? As usual, I'm trying. I want to get like a idea, like what you understand when we talk about dashboards. What you understand?
Well, dashboard should be is defined as the overview. It shows the overview of every activities.
And like any example, like a real-time example you have in mind?
Like the car. You're driving the car, you have the dashboard, it shows everything. It shows the gas, the speed, the miles and everything.
Wow, great. Like I will note it down actually. That is the very great, a good example. I will note it down. Dashboard, right? That's car, for car it is there, right?
Yep.
Absolutely.
So you're already well aware about that. So you don't, it will be easy to understand. In Servicenow also, similar thing is there. They have created a single page and it's very popular where you can see everything related to that, and plus You can remove if something is not in, you don't want it. If you want to add something, you can add it. Okay. So now coming the, I just open one page. Here you can see total emergency changes. All the report is here on the one page. Okay. Now, if you are not happy with this, if you look here, heat map, open changes by risk and priority. All is there. If you want to change something, if you want to add some report here, you can add report here. Like you have just created a report, right? Incident. Learn an incident report. You can edit. It's got added here. Can you see this? On a single click, it got refreshed also. So the dashboard is, as you said, right? It's in one page, you can see all the report, all the related things.